Do you really need to bring 12 lipsticks on vacation? No, you don't. Unless, of course, you're planning to open a pop-up Sephora at the free hotel breakfast. Today, we'll talk about how to pack your makeup for travel without needing a Sherpa. Welcome back. We're tackling the very sensitive topic, overpacking makeup. Yes, I see you clutching your 48 pan eyeshadow palette. Put it down, breathe, it's going to be okay. Here's how I pared down what I bring so that I could travel lighter. The first thing I did was get honest with myself. I don't often need a full beat when I travel. I either don't have time or I'm not interested in taking time to fix my face. I'm on vacation. Vacations are about fun. No one cares if you're rocking a 10-step contour in Orlando humidity. You know who does care? Your mascara. And it will melt faster than a popsicle in July. Decanting saves the day. Get tiny containers, little jars, sample pots, even old contact lens cases. Seriously, contact lens cases are magical. You'll feel like a mad scientist in your bathroom, carefully squirting foundation into a thimble-sized jar. But trust me, future you will build a shrine to past you when you're not lugging oversized bottles. And yes, there are travel minis, but honestly, buying a tiny version of something you already own feels like paying extra for less. It's the cosmetic equivalent of buying jeans with holes in them. Cute, but really? Here's another secret. Choose products that multitask. A lipstick that doubles as a cream blush, a bronzer that works as an eyeshadow, a tinted moisturizer that's also sunscreen. The less you pack, the more you realize half your makeup bag is just basically redundancies in different packages. So strip it back. Travel with products that will do more than one thing. Okay, let's have a little intervention about tools. Do you really need to bring your entire brush collection? No. Nobody's on vacation with you thinking, wow, her crease would look so much better if she just used a tapered blending brush. Travel brushes exist for a reason. They're smaller, lighter, and they don't take up the entire side pocket of your carry-on. And if you don't want to buy a whole travel set, cut down the handles of the brushes you already have. Yes, I'm telling you to get the hedge clippers or a saw and lop off the handle. Suddenly, you've got travel brushes. DIY minimalism. And let's talk about the eyelash curler. Did you know they make travel size curlers? Half the size, and this one is a kitty cat. And the best hack of all, sunglasses. They scream mysterious chic when really you're just trying to cover up the fact that you partied like a pirate last night. Sunglasses are the ultimate travel makeup. So there you go. That's how to travel without your suitcase doubling as a rolling Ulta store. If you like this video, please hit like and subscribe because I need the validation. Now, if you'll excuse me, I have to go decant my moisturizer into a jar the size of a Tic Tac. Thanks for watching.